Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, and I figured I'd give you a little tour around the shop and show you what's going on. My favoriteest thing right now is this. It's getting put back together. Chris and I have been working on this for last few days, getting it all put back together. This top isn't staying on. This is just, we put it back on for it to go home basically when it's done. But it's getting a new top and new upholstery, so don't judge that because that's that's not staying. But she's slowly going back together. And fenders are on with the welting. Looking pretty fancy. Waiting for the grommet there. We needed a grommet for, because that's where the gas filler goes. So yeah, put the welting in. I got to get this tail light on today, and the step on top of the fender, which totally makes me nervous because I would never step on a fender, no matter if there was a step on there or not. But anyways, yeah, it's coming back together. We had it flashed up yesterday and running for a bit, so take it for a drive around the block and stuff and make sure that everything's running tickety-boo before we put the front end on, because you don't want to be leaning over these humongous fenders in the front and risking all the scratches and stuff on fresh paint. What else is going on? This is the 53 Chev, or 53 Ford. Got painted the doors, inside of the doors yesterday. Jared came over and painted those. Painted the door jambs and the dash. So that's all done. Nicey nice. Up above, dash, door sills, and there were some other pieces over there that got painted, inner fenders and stuff. This is the crew cab. That's going to get worked on later today. Slowly been working on that. And this is the extended cab that Sean is working on as well. And he's doing some work on this. Bruce has been working on this as well. So, and the guy that has this, the owner, this green paint he's not happy with. It's a shade too light. So we have found the actual proper color, and that is going to go on at a later date. We're going to darken that up for him with a couple shades. So that's about it. The 57 Chevy. Rick finished up all the welding on that girl yesterday. Pushed her out. We're going to take off. He put the new cab mounts on the back yesterday. He fabricated some new cab mounts for it. So he welded what he could from the outside here. And today we're going to push it back into the shop, and we're going to lift the cab off. And he is going to weld underneath, and then we're going to put it back on the cab. So everything is done. Everything is buttoned up on all the door jambs, the back of this, the body mounts, the kick panels, the toe boards, the tranny hump, the new door jamb pocket. Yeah, everything's done. Both sides all welded up. And like I said, there's not much more going on here. So now the builder's here, so I gotta shut this off and go let him in because the gate's locked. So it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for watching. Talk to everybody soon.